One of the things I love about me is I know everything about everything, but I have to admit I've been humbled today. I knew nothing about Parmigiani, and I just finished a session with them. I'm blown away. I am blown away. It's unbelievable what they've done. Wait till you see this stuff. It's stunning. I've never get excited about new stuff, not like this. F***ing spectacular. It may be the most interesting innovation I've ever seen, and that never happens. I think I'm in a dream on another planet. I can't believe what I've seen here. You know, one of my jobs here at Watches and Wonders is to seek out unique pieces, unique dials, new opportunities for collecting like me and you. And so I spend a lot of time trying to find that spark. And this brand has done it. This is only 30 years old, but has made a huge name for itself because of one thing: sheer beauty and simplicity of dial. Yeah, it's got a huge advocate here at Steven at the Mansion, which was very famous location in Chicago, just outside Chicago. You're very passionate about this brand, Rusty.
Kevin, this brand for me is one of my favorites. When we opened up the Mansion, having a background in watchmaking, creating our own watches, I wanted to have something that represented another level of watchmaking. So we met with Parmigiani, and the brand just speaks to me. The colors, the complications, the history of Michel Parmigiani, working on restorations, all of these things are just important to me as a collector and as a watch enthusiast.
But in the 200-plus-year-old watch industry, it's hard to break into and to get share like the way this brand has done. Why did that happen? What do you think happened here? And in 30 short years, you have such a presence in the watch industry.
I think it's about the story, Michel's passion, his origins, his dedication, his philosophy about also sharing the knowledge that he learns. That's, as Guido said earlier, he has been able to gather and learn so much from previous watchmakers. And that knowledge today, we continue to forward, to teach new generations the techniques, the excellence in mechanical movements, and constantly collaborate as well to do all the amazing
But
fabric.
in the end, it's one piece at a time. What makes these watches different than the other watch that person did not buy? That's the question I always ask. And for me, in looking at these arenas outside the windows, it's the clean look of that. Absolutely. It really, and I kind of agree with you, Steven, it pops. You either emotionally get involved with it or you don't.
It's understated elegance.
I totally agree with you. So let's get into it. Let's sit into pieces. Maybe something new this year would be interesting.
So I'll start with a novelty that we presented in 2023 real quick to give you a little bit of backdrop. This is the PF GMT, which was the world's first GMT Rattrapante. And it was introduced in, as I said, 2022. Where the concept is to hide the functionality.
I don't see GMT anywhere on this.
When you listen
to
to
the simplest, cleanest dial, no GMT.
Absolutely. It's all about hiding the functions. It's about focusing on the most important thing, which is the time.
Anyway, a beautiful dial. So it's hidden.
It's hidden.
Okay, you guys are crazy shit. So you take complications, you hide.
It's decluttered. So whenever we feature a function, there's nothing to get in the way of. The eye goes to the hours and the minutes, which is the most important function or part feature on the watch.
That's beautiful.
And allows you to also appreciate the elegance of the details, V-shape pattern on the dials, snurling on
So how do I see the push the water pusher?
Excellent question. So if I may,
Now you got me really wondering.
the GMT has a pusher hidden on the bottom. That allows you to expose
That's
an hour hand,
is
1 click, 1 hour increments.
So easy to adjust.
so that was hiding behind the other.
That's right up the way. So
That is really.
this has allowed me to fast forward an hour hand to, let's say, a time zone in Europe. If you're in the US, you fast forward to gold hand indicates your home hour. while this
So you set for the gold hand, and then anywhere you want to advance to the client, you can.
correct. When you go back home, all you have to do is use the Rattrapante function to come back home.
That's just crazy. That's just crazy.
Nobody will know what that is.
Nobody.
Yeah.
I get one of those. And that's really spectacular. That's different. That's different. Who else does this, Eddie?
That was a world premiere. It's never been done before. And obviously, GMT is something that you find.
You know, this is like a Shark Tank moment. Why didn't I think of that? That's
And we follow that with a minute rattrapante, which is another very common feature, a countdown function. This was introduced the following year in 2023 here at Watches and Wonders. Minute rattrapante works in a similar fashion, but with minutes, allowing you to advance through the pusher, one click, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Top pusher will advance it 21, 22, 23, 1 minute increments.
so that's an incremental advance.
Correct. For the minutes. Purpose of this, they use this. For example, if you have to catch a flight, when you have 22 minutes to get to the gate, the minute hand will track and show you when you have to whisk the gate. Stainless steel bracelet again. We're known for our bracelets. They're extremely ergonomical, very comfortable.
That is
Very
just
well done.
sheer genius. So, I'm excited because I've never seen it.
No, and it's not for everyone.
No,
Only
it's not. But I mean, if you understand what's going on here, it's pretty cool.
for those who know.
That is really, really fantastic.
Visible when you need it, hidden and out of the way when you don't.
I mean, this is real innovation here. I mean, it's true. You think there's nothing new in watchmaking? Not so. And this is a company that's only 30 years old. It's a Basov.
And this year, after nearly 3.5 years in development, we are introducing the third world's first, the world premiere of the chronograph. Now, once again, here's a chronograph. Is this your chronograph?
So it's a watch, okay. And that's a second sweep. It's going.
So at a glance, you see the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. Nothing more. Clean, elegant, beautiful guilloche dial.
Yeah.
Through the pusher here again,
Yeah.
when I start this, you will see 3 hands, 3 separate functions, fly back to 12 and initiate a chrono.
If I were a salesman in your store, I'd sell a ton of these. This would be the number one watch.
Wait.
So it was all underneath each other. That's what.
The functions were hidden underneath the hour hand and the minute. I'm going to do that again
Yeah, let me
because it's a quiz line. It moves fast.
It's like it's like a card trick. It's fantastic.
Chrono starts.
Boom.
3 hands fly back. Hours, minutes, and the seconds fly back and start instantly.
Okay.
It's a vertical clutch for the seconds. Very smooth transition.
And how do I start it? How do I start?
That is already running.
It's
Once you
running
press the
already.
minute you press it, you snap all the functions to 12 and it starts instantly.
What dial variances do you have? Color for this, dudes?
This is like the Ford Model T.
Yeah.
It comes in any color you want as long as it's this mineral blue.
And, it doesn't work out here. He's got to do stand up. That's fantastic. So each of these have their own unique personality color, right?
3 different functions.
Yeah.
We do have different colors for each function, so we don't repeat. Usually, we don't repeat the colors. There's one more feature here, which I think is very important to see because it's another complexity for this movement. You can stop the chrono, and the last function is to hide the hands. It recognizes where the hour hand is and where the minute hand is, and it brings the chrono hands back underneath and hides them, returning the watch to a time-only function. This is one of the most complicated chronograph movements developed.
And you would never know it.
Person would never know it.
5 hands from the center post.
These really feel the weight of the steel.
Stainless steel case, stainless steel bracelet with a platinum bezel. This retails in US for $44,600.
Wow. That's amazing.
It's a fully integrated chronograph, launched here for the very first time.
This is not just the body, it's the engine. It's everything under the hood.
It's an incredibly clean design. Just stunning.
I'm going to continue the presentation of the world premiere with a very special set here of the three functions that we identified, GMT, Minute Rattrapante, and of course the new chronograph, presented in this full platinum version.
Ah, so precious metal now.
Precious metal, bracelets, cases, and dials are all platinum. The dial here is sandblasted to give it a very nice
The dial's
texture.
flat, so you give it a texture by sandblast. Correct.
And that's how you achieve
You're all the same file, all sandblasted file.
correct.
Is it sold as a set?
No, these can be purchased individually, limited to 30 pieces each. And the prices are 110, approximately 112 for the Minute Rattrapante, and 120,000 for.
This is the high-end piece of the collection.
So the chronograph that I just showed you is here in platinum. That is not the high end of the collection. It's a high end of this range, if you will, but not of the brand.
A platinum bracelet. It's very. Are there many people that make a platinum bracelet?
It's not something that you find very common in a regular production piece.
You know it's platinum. It's got that look, right?
That is rich.
It's rich.
Look at that with all the hands.
It's crazy. I love it. Look, it's a spider.
You're getting.
Yeah, no, it's
Steven is holding the chrono, and
it's a
here
hit.
you have the GMT. And of course, it's also important to identify the movement on the back. It's an in-house movement, micro rotor.
I mean, you know, the fun is to just leave it like that. Oh, it's there, right? People are going to say, "What the hell is this?" And that's what you wanted to watch. You want to start a conversation.
Let's transition to another collection, which is Toric. Toric was the first collection that Michel introduced back in 1996. And we will start with this beautiful piece here, which is Petite Seconde. So the three models that I will show you in a second,
You were right.
Is that down there?
You were right. I was skeptical. All you did. Tell me, Chicago. I said, I see everything, but I'm bold. You really have to understand what the hell's going on.
So the Toric last year was introduced. This is for us
Yeah.
at the top level of horology. We introduced Toric, bring back the first collection, as I said, that was show creative.
Drapish style is beautiful.
And everything we do here is in solid, pure metals, and everything is hand done. So you're looking at a solid gold movement, platinum case, and a gold die, using techniques that come from the past, techniques that have been forgotten, such as hand brushed die, engraving and polishing techniques throughout the movement.
That's just a straight on clean.
This is a $60,000 price point. Is it platinum? I'm sorry, 68,000 in platinum.
Yeah.
Yes.
It feels platinum.
And even the detail on the stitching of the straps. It's punto a mano stitching, very it's Italian tailoring stitching technique. And this year we're introducing the 30th anniversary. And again, we are elevating and continuously bringing new techniques forward
And the down finish.
in training our watchmakers. This is a technique that have been forgotten. Michel had to train our watchmakers. This is another older technique that you don't see very often. This is a hammering solid gold dial. Again, your full
Texture is really interesting. I would think everyone's different then if you're hammering with.
every single one is you. That is correct. They're hand hammered. You can see the light bounce throughout the dial and give you very
Yeah, that is something.
beautiful effects.
And then hammered.
Right.
The hammer is very cool. This is beautiful. So the texture's just perfect.
And the gold movement is really something.
And when you turn it over, you see the gold movement. Steven, I think you would appreciate this. It took our technicians quite a bit of time to master this. These are two separate guilloche techniques done at different times. So you have the pyramid-shaped
Yep.
pattern, and then the linear wall. So to do this by hand and have this perfect symmetry and alignment is... So this is the perpetual calendar in the Toric, also limited to 30 pieces. Same dial technique, marquage.
So on the perpetual,
Yes, sir.
you're showing what functions.
On the perpetual here, you have the days, the dates, the month, the leap year.
It's very clean.
Pretty discreet, huh? It's usually a perpetual that fills the whole dial.
Exactly.
Okay, so what's going on here?
This is a split Rattrapante. This is a platinum case. You have the solid gold movement. Another one of
So this is your high end.
This is one of our knife.
Working in that direction.
This is one of our hand pieces.
So how many different references do you have?
Currently 37.
Wow. I mean, that's a lot. Do you disclose how many pieces you're making a year?
We're producing under 3,000 pieces here.
Anybody can get past 1,000. To me,
That's right. That's right. It's a different level.
different level. So you're now in the mid space. Yeah, it's interesting. Before we leave, can I see the Chinese?
As you know, cultural calendars are very important.
That one is a hell of a die.
We have the Hijrian Muslim calendar, which is incredible in green, and we have the Chinese god.
That's the one I saw. Look at that.
Again, I mean, you know red, but there's something. This.
So the guilloche is giving it a whole thing that's going on.
Like, is this like?
Because I'm looking at it from an angle, and it's lighting up, and it's really. I mean, one of the reasons you would want to get this, even in North America, is uniqueness about this, and the dial is so incredible. The Chinese characters, even though you don't understand them, who cares? I mean, it's puppetry. It's beautiful.
And it's important to highlight the fact that it's an actual Chinese calendar, right? It's not a Gregorian calendar that is translated. This is a mechanism that was created to communicate.
I don't think the buyer has to be Chinese.
That's absolutely correct. I can tell you that we have a lot of non-Chinese clients that will buy this as well as the other.
Good. I just wanted to see it up close. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
And this will stay in production, I assume, forever. Already designed.
This absolutely, it's in the collection. We have three
different
calendars, three
Gregorian.
Nigerian, yes, and the Chinese. Three perpetual.
It's the amount of reference for a 30-year-old copper proposal. You guys have done everything differently. And the guy that does this is this one watchmaker.
Not necessarily.
So you've trained them. You will to build this.
Keep in mind that we're vertically integrated, so we are part of a group of companies. We had 5 companies. We have
It's springs.
We make everything.
Make the springs.
So you have a factory that makes the movements. We have a dial factory.
So one of the
runs.
So you have a spring company.
We have company. We have 5 different companies.
Everything in the caliber is made by you.
Depending on the movement, yes.
That's
In some categories, we have collaborations, but we have 5 factories that manufacture everything. We manufacture movements, cases, components, dials to over 50 of the top brands.
I'm going to help get the story out because it deserves to get out.
Yeah,
It's of all the stuff I've seen this year so far, this is the most interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I've really enjoyed it.
Steven, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Oh, yeah.
This is nice.
You deserve it. You deserve it.